Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView failed to close the position, unknown error. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. The step 1 is you can simple first understand the root. This error usually comes from broken connection issues, order rejection from broker, network/API failure. Okay, so these are the common causes where this is the roots of the issue. So it's not always a TradingView bug, it may be a broker side sometimes. So now we will fix this issue. So the step 1 is you can simple check the network connection. So firstly you can check your internet connection and verify that you are connected with a strong Wi-Fi network. You can open a website called speedtest.net. Once you open this website, you can simple type on your browser speed test. Then once you open, you can simple click on go. And now here it will simple verify the network speed of your Wi-Fi. If the speed is low, in that case you can simple firstly switch your network and connect with the strong Wi-Fi network that have a good speed. Next step is you can simple disable the VPN. So VPN is causing is a very important play a very important role here because the VPN can cause this kind of errors many times. So firstly you can disable the VPN. It will also slow down the network, change the configurations between your browser and your network and many things. Disable the VPN and then open the TradingView again. Next step is you can simply refresh the broker connection. So once you open your trading panel, okay. So now here firstly I will need my broker. So I'm in connected. Now once you open your trading panel, then after here you can check your position still is open or not and any pending order. If appears, you can simple firstly clear them. Try closing from broker app. And if the broker already closed and rejected, so then the errors comes in TradingView. So close the browser and reopen. The next step is you can simple check the broker status. Okay, so once you open your admin panel, so the trading panel, here you will see a disconnected from a broker. Here you will see many trades. Right now nothing is showing here because I don't have any disconnection. If appear, you can simply reopen it and then click on reconnect with the broker and then close the position. Okay, bro. The next step is you can simply check the order type and market conditions. So use a market order instead of a limit. Ensure market is open, liquidity exists. Avoid extreme price limit. Limit orders may fall if price is not matched. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.